Hey, this is Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this series I've been doing on the Dremels, I was thinking today, what is the oldest Dremel accessory that I own? So I'm going to show you my oldest Dremel accessory, and I'm wondering if you have something similar to this. Please shoot me an email if you have any questions, scrollsawvideo@gmail.com, or leave a comment in the section below. And I'll try my best to get back with you, or hopefully if I can't answer, one of the other viewers will be able to answer. Thanks for watching. Okay, here's a close-up of the drill press that I have. It's the Dremel Moto Tool Deluxe Drill Press Stand, model 212 Type 2. And here's the label on the side. If you'd like to, you can pause the video and zoom in on this and get some details. I'm not going to go over this label right here. But if you notice, it's got sawdust all over this thing. It needs to be cleaned. It's got some rust right here on this post here. Very, very used. I've probably had this thing at least 25 years. Still works great. So let's go over some of the features on this thing. Right here on the front, has two little screws. Loosen these up. Your Dremel will fit right down into it easily. Now if you notice right here on this section, I've put a little bit of, I believe that's masking tape I put in there to make this a little bit tighter. This is a Dremel model 300. Much newer than this drill press. So it is a tight fit, which is a good thing. So I have it pushed all the way down in here. Let me tighten this up. Now, I found out the easiest thing to lose on this drill press are these little screws and nuts right here. In fact, I had to take one of these off another tool that I have. I'll show in another video later. And when I need to use that other tool, I have to take them back off here and put it back in there. But let's go over some of the features here. We have a handle, which will raise it up and down. We have a depth adjustment right here. So just, if you want it to go deeper, you can just raise this up. I usually just leave it one depth, so you can just just press down as far as you need it. If you can hear that noise, I do need to put a little bit of oil in here. Right here on the back is where you can loosen this up and adjust this up and down, turn it to any direction that you might need. Right here on the top is where a place you plug in your cord to keep it out of the way. Has these grooves on the base here, so you can put a clamp on the bottom, some kind of a small clamping system if you need to. It has 3 holes, and on the bottom are rubber feet to keep it in place. Now what else? Something else I do is I always clamp this down on these places right here, clamp it down to the workbench that I'm working on. So I think this is a pretty well used machine here. In the back, you can take this bolt off, and this base will come off of the shaft if you ever needed to do that. I don't know why you would, but if you ever needed to, you have the opportunity. This right here, the depth adjustment on here, I've used it so much that I know it's going to be hard to see in a video, but I'm going to show you anyway. Right here on the top has a big crack in it. Doesn't stop me from using it though. Very nice tool. This is probably one of the best accessories, not counting the locking chuck on the bottom, but this is probably the most used Dremel accessory that I've ever had. Enjoyed it a lot. Now there are newer models out there. One of them be the Dremel Workstation, which is also a great machine. And there's also another one of these. It might be Type 3. I cannot remember, but I know I do have one that I'm going to bring in and show in another video. And the difference between that is you can take this whole top off and turn it sideways and set it back on the shaft here. But I'll show you that in another video. Now I have seen these at yard sales, $5, $6, $7 or so. You can still find these on eBay. I would encourage you to get one if you need it. If you do have one, I'd like to hear your comments on it. Please leave a comment in the section below. I do appreciate you watching. Have a good day.